What's up ba? Welcome back to my vlog, Jolly TV. The house is suntik tayo guys eh. Na-stock na guys. So, ang ating Jones Audio Light and Sound. So, yan guys. Ang ating main output is low profile routable Roxul guys. 0 dB lang tayo. Then ang ating audio source is laptop guys. Ayan guys. L angle yun ng ating 3.5 jack. Then naka tayo guys. Audio insulator then mute PL. Ayan sige. All Roxul guys.
WAR.
Powered by Juson ang ating pangsab. Ang pang mid is the Legend 737 Sakura guys. Then ang ating pang mid Sakura DBX crossover. Then ating EQ ang ating EQ 231. Then ating nag-iisaga Sonic Ultramercer Behringer guys. Then try din yung ating YK guys. Then ang ating ano guys is powered by IMAX guys. Curve 8. Like and share and subscribe ang ating YouTube channel Jolly TV and pakihit ang all bell button para update pa kayo sa aking next video. Thank you for watching.